Hello students, welcome back to my channel, The Basic Biology of Life. In the last video we have discussed about 7 proven tips and tricks to excel in biology. So in this video, today I am going to discuss about the flashcard, how you are going to make your flashcards and how you can use them. So watch the video till the end. The flashcards are the cards which bears information on both the sides of the card, and they are very useful to recall the vast amount of information your textbook contains, and they can be used to memorize vocabulary words, historical dates, chemical formulas, or they can be used in any subject matter which we learn through question answer format. They are especially useful for visual and kinesthetic learners. Now let's see how we are going to make the flashcards today. In science, the flashcards can be used to revise vocabulary words, and they're quite simple to make. All you need is a sheet of plain paper that can be sturdy, or even a plain paper will do fine. You require sketch pens, a pencil, a scale to measure your flashcards, and for today I have used my daughter's textbook for making the flashcards. Now the standard size of flashcards is 3 by 5 inches, but my card is 10 by 5 inches. Now first you read your chapter and you can underline the important information from the chapter and pick up the right information that you can write down on your flashcards. Now on one side of your flashcard you can write down the vocabulary word, while on the other side you can write down the definition in your own words. Do remember, you have to write down the definition in your own words. And secondly, you have to use only one term per flashcard. You can add a small picture if you want, so that will help you to make your flashcards more memorable. But do remember that information should be correlated to your flashcard. Now let me show you how to make a flashcard. Now my keyword is stomata, which I will write on the front side of my flashcard. I will add a small picture of stomata. And on the back side of my flashcard, I will write down its definition, which is tiny pores on the surface of leaves. Now how you are going to use your flashcards? You can review at least 10 flashcards at a time, 3 times a day, that is in the morning, afternoon and the evening. This will help you to imbibe or learn new information easily. Or you can play a game with your friend and you can test each other by using flashcards. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.